In this video, we are going to be analysing VRAX. So to get straight into it, firstly, why has it popped up over 40% today? And this is because they have introduced a monkeypox virus antigen rapid test. So really that's the main reason for the pop. Now, what are going to be targets? So firstly, we'll go over the short term if you're looking to trade it just for today or maybe just for the next few days. And then we'll get onto the longer term targets if you're looking for a longer term play on VRAX. So firstly, what we can see is we did have resistance at $3.85. We haven't yet been able to hit that. Got close to that level and kept just pulling back. And we keep kind of just pushing towards VWAP. So if we are able to push upwards, that would be our closest resistance. Breaking through there would give us another target at 417. And then breaking further past there would be 487. And then 586 and a final one at around 786. Obviously some of them quite far off from where we are now, but that key focus would just be on the 417 and the 385, at least for the time being. Now if we start to pull back, what are going to be these key support levels where we would expect to see some bounces? And what we can see is we have statistical mean at least on the 20-day chart at 275. Now this is key because if we started pulling back on this move, we would be pushing back to the 275, which would also be our 50 simple moving average on the 30-day chart, the 1 month chart. So seeing that is definitely a probable level if we start to pull back as a support level, and we would expect some sort of a bounce. It doesn't mean that we won't continue down, but if we do continue down, we would have a final target at around 250, which would be the gap fill that was created yesterday. Now onto the more important and kind of the longer term levels if you're looking to trade this over a longer term or you just want very far out targets. What are we paying attention to? So $5 and $5.10 is going to be that first deviation on both the 6 month and the 1 year chart. Breaking through there would take us to $9.75 and then $10 as further out resistances, and then $14.50, $15, and then final levels at $19.50 and $20. So those would be the key levels to the upside. If we end up pulling back, what are going to be key support levels? And at least on a standard deviation bias, we can only see a level at 20 cents and 15 cents. So seeing that obviously very far off, probably not all that likely that we actually come down to a level like that. So that's when we would have had to use the shorter term target. So we have the 275, the 185, and they would really be that key focus. And I guess even one at $2. And then really apart from that, then we just use the psychological levels. So the $1, the $1.50 and the $2 and even $2.50 and even $3 are all key levels because they're just those key psychological levels. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video here.